video for how to play a couple of the songs that we're working on the Music Lab. That's where my students get together and they play, my adult students, we get together, we hang out, we play some songs, everybody gets a chance to play some solos, and everybody gets to practice on their rhythm guitar part. So this is the sections of Midnight Rider, which is an Allman Brothers song that we play in the Music Lab. So the first section of Midnight Rider, well, the Midnight Rider starts with an intro, but we usually skip the intro and we usually go right into the verse. So the verse comes out of a D chord. Again, this is a D5, so I'm not going to be playing the first string. And so I'm not going to play the first string. I'm going to play strings 4, 3, and 2. But I'm going to do a hammer on the A string. I'm going to play the 5th string open, and I'm going to do this hammer on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. So I go A, C, D. So that's the main riff. You hear that a lot, and we're going to do that 4 times. So it'll be like. G minor, C, back to the D. So that's the verse. That's where all of the singing takes place. Now, on the original recording, there's a solo. The solo is really short. I'm pretty sure that I know this, they released the song as a 45. That's a 7-inch vinyl, and they wanted to keep the song. A 45 has a maximum roughly 3 minutes. If you go over 3 minutes, the grooves start to get to be really close, and then the quality, the audio quality suffers. So they usually try to keep the 45s between 2 minutes and 30 seconds and 3 minutes. So the solo on the record is very short. Whenever we play this though, working on improvising and playing the solos, it's probably the most important thing that we do in getting together in the Music Lab. Whenever you play in a band, you have a lot of opportunities to play rhythm guitar, but you don't have a lot of opportunities to play solos. So if you go out and you start gigging, a lot of times playing solos seems really difficult. People haven't thought about it a lot, but when you think about it, what's going on is you're going out, you're playing gigs, you're spending a bunch of time playing the rhythm part and not a whole lot of time playing solos, so you don't get a lot of solo practice. So here is, whenever we do the solo sections, what I've done is I've actually changed the chord progression, not the chord progression, the actual length of the chords. So we do 8 measures of D, and then we do 8 measures, which is alternating between C and B. So it's going to be 4 times of that. It's going to be 1 measure of C, 1 measure of B flat, 1 measure of C, 1 measure of B flat, 1 measure of C, 1 measure of B flat. So here we go, 8 of these. So it'll be like. I have a really long video, a couple of them, on my YouTube channel on how to develop a solo, how to learn the major pentatonic scale and what you have to do in order to solo over that. I also have a play along of just the chords for the solo section. So you could use the play along, you could practice the ideas you could really get your chops together. And if I remember right, I think I play a solo at the beginning of the video so you can see an example of I'm using the concepts to play the solo. I think those videos are called Ripping Southern Blues Solos. I was trying to come up with some kind of original idea that might make it sound interesting. So, all right, thanks so much. Make sure you like and subscribe. I need the subscribers. Keep me going.